Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan. We have breaking SSPDF from Lankien market in Jonglei State. A shocking attack occurred on 4th February 2026 in Lankien, as report indicate that the South Sudan People Defense Forces SSPDF reportedly bombed the local market. Thankfully, according to initial report, no one was physically harmed in the incident. However, the attack caused severe damage, and the market was burned to the ground, leaving traders and residents in shock and despair. Well, Lankien market is a lifeline for the local community, providing essentials, goods, food, and income for hundreds of families in the area. The destruction of this marketplace has left many without access to food and livelihood, adding to the already dire situation in a region affected by prolonged conflict and insecurity. According to the report, residents described the attack as alarming and devastating, noting that it has created panic among civilians and heightened fear of further attack in the area. This bombing comes after a series of recent attacks in northern Jonglei, including airstrike on hospital and humanitarian facilities. The pattern of violence suggests a continuous strategy by the government of South Sudan targeting civilian areas, which raises serious humanitarian and legal concern. While no casualties were reported during the attack in the evening of February 4th, 2026, the psychological impact on the local population is immense. Market vendors and residents now face certainty. They are facing uncertainty about when it will be safe to return and resume their daily life. The repeated targeting of civilian infrastructure in conflict zone, including market and hospital, underscores the urgent need for international attention and the protection of innocent civilians. Attack on marketplaces and essential community facilities violate basic humanitarian principles and threaten the well-being of entire communities. In conclusion, the bombing of Lankien market is a stark reminder of the danger civilians continue to face in Jonglei State. Immediate measures must be taken to prevent further attack, protect civilians, and ensure accountability for those responsible. The people of Lankien and surrounding areas deserve safety, security, and the ability to rebuild their life without fear of attack on their own livelihood and communities. Report shanu yu gwasme min shoda lat tok tiang changam wan ka pairo ron kin dangro wit jandangro bakel wan mi mo kume SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force pinkir mi yadit as you can local market gwala kwakatin you can a book karenyal ke gunship ben karenyal chika book chicken market chicken yar latuk ka jowo ngwa chakulat gwasme ripo dan shalat wa tel rami mo me shamoy kabot en men ci tuok a chrenyal je damage ni duel la market ki tu go dan tinate ne ken gote kono ci yar can market ci kana burn to the ground ki ci kana wanke liu to der tel gwam ko kan ni kenten the situation me bej ngay kon diale Lankien agwas mi mo no ko ka ngwanatin ka kokna ka kwakten yen serve a community ede kon laro no jen a lifeline gwam mi dictating mi yar ka jamo kume kir ma yadit yen SSPDF krenial ngay kana gwan wo ko na me gwam mi dictating gor kana yar kana ke kana tum yar nyogba kan ga yar men dul wal ke MSF America Sans Frontier ne ko la wala ka to ko kan tiken ke facility hospital mu lokanaten ka wal de Georgian wo shikume kirm yadi de niken ken renal dana use ken chicken wo bok ka chicken na chicken ka bok ka chicken market chicken yar men gwa o terami mo me chamu ka bot wane me ngai ko na jere ka dana to kana sen jongle gwa se dan ngai ko no shikume morai ke kirm yadi chawna no betik nuare beje yar jemne ni antama boko hospital nyok pen je humanitarian facilities sorry pen je humanitarian ko de gore which rather than tin cha control kuma SPLIO so mi chicken me wide strategy ko kuma ko bi kan civilian bi kan ga target goten kon tigaten ka chicken je humanitarian chicken bi jako buga wen winami ngai kone mi kan je humanitarian kan ka we teri wan la tuo manyam humanitarian la tup kan kwan la tup kan wal inte ram te ko bot kiram mo te ko joy mi dit yen kan la jare likamo ka garden tiene ko na paida ka mente la rueni kan ne tidit so te den ganga ji humanitarian ba mi ci kire logo no bire nyal ba jien ba were wucin wini mi ci gam bo kan tam bo kan na gare nyal no jenotine kon tiken ka critical condition me da la jari po dan di yeneli ko tele nyal teram ci gan moy ka bot ka jari po len kon me man ngay kone nyal mi bo ngayen trauma melanoma alai psychological impact karan kan ne ko la local population ta dana cherken ke jem ka ta dan dong cha ga buko je ngayen cha dan an char ga ko changa ma mi cha yuade how do you feel a feeling wole riche chitere de community so na me agenda na le road mi bikir mi yadi be we woni am bogon wore ke naga wore wicin binimi a che chuang a che mako me da la jen report ana gorde nya kon ken an ban nyo je ka report din betama